Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled How a Teen Destroyed Her Life with One Snapchat by EW Bodycam.
There's a student here by the name of Addison Gass, G-A-S-S.
Okay.
Is she here now?
I'll have to double check.
She's posted on Snapchat that was intercepted by the FBI right now, and she's about up this place.
A teenager having a bad day finds out just how much worse it can get after a private Snapchat story lands her on the FBI's radar.
What the hell? How you get on the FBI's radar?
You understand why we're here and the gravity, of how serious we take these types of threats. You just can't make posts like that.
The following is based on official police records released to date, and the footage has never been seen before until now. On the 5th of January 2026, the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office was notified of a written threat to commit a mass shooting at the Aveda Institute in Clearwater, Florida.
Oh.
You the manager?
I'm not the manager, but I can get our director, Nikki, for you.
That ain't good.
Can you do it very discreetly? Everything's okay here right now, right? Well, I'm not telling you, I'm asking you.
Yeah, it'll just be one moment.
Okay. There's a little bit of sense of urgency here.
Okay.
Like there's an actual threat of violence against this place right now.
Okay.
After a user posted a concerning private story that morning, Snapchat issued a voluntary emergency disclosure that was forwarded to the sheriff's office via the FBI.
There's a student here by the name of Addison Gass, G-A-S-S.
Okay.
Is she here now?
I'll have to double check. Do you need her? Do you need to step away for a second?
She's posted on Snapchat that was intercepted by the FBI right now, and she's about up this place. So I don't want her to know I'm here.
Ooh, damn.
Is she in one of the classrooms?
Yeah.
All right. You want to just go take her, or you want to just we need to, or you want to talk, have her call her out? Yeah. Given the circumstances.
Well,
I'll
she
fill
just
you in
lost
more
this
later,
job
but
and
I'll give you the
opportunity.
brief version of it. Just not something we're going to take any chances with.
Absolutely. I appreciate that.
But this was like a few minutes ago, probably while she was in there. Hello, how are you? Addison. Addison. Hello, how are you? Are you Addison?
Oh, she's in the bathroom, so she stands right here usually.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
After successfully locating her, the deputies detain Addison and take her away to discuss her Snapchat activity that
She definitely looked like the type.
morning.
We were just trying to find something discreet.
Okay.
Something, preferably not a glass window.
Let's go upstairs
Building.
then.
Thank you.
All right, Addison, I'm sorry. I got to take a picture real quick. Let me ask you, do you have any weapons on you? Anything anywhere?
No, sir, I do not. Do you want me to put this on?
Yes.
So you said you could explain. Why do you think we're here?
Well, because I accidentally posted on this.
Accidentally? You don't accidentally do nothing. You gotta push like confirm on some shit like 2-3 times on Snapchat.
Snapchat that I was gonna do something that I wasn't supposed to. Not really thinking that it would go anywhere.
And what did you post?
I said that I was gonna this place up, but I didn't mean it literally.
Oh,
I
damn!
didn't mean it in like a threatening way. I think
Well, there ain't no other way you can be meaning it.
I wasn't thinking.
But
Yeah.
legally it is criminal. You understand
Very.
why we're here
Yeah.
and the gravity, of how serious we take these types of threats. Whether it's meant in jest or seriously, you just can't
Yeah.
make posts like that.
Obviously, when you post something like that, there are people that monitor that stuff.
Yeah.
In this case, it happened to be the FBI.
Oh, okay.
They
So
were pretty concerned about you, so they called us. That's how we ended up here.
How the fuck did the FBI? Somebody snitched.
okay.
Somebody snitched.
I honestly did not think that it would get this far in that way. I had no idea.
This day and age, when you make comments like that, there's algorithms to catch that
Yeah.
so that we can prevent, because we don't know if someone's being serious or in this case just frustrated.
Addison insists that what she said online was not meant to be serious, but the deputies still appear apprehensive.
The concern was that you had actually posted a picture of yourself, and it said something to the effect of, I'm going to this place up. They pissed me off now. Is that
Oh, damn. Who put that filter on her?
pretty accurate?
Yeah, I did say that. I said it pissed me off. I posted it and it was like a couple people, 3 people.
That's right. And we're talking about this school, obviously. This is where you're at.
What prompted you to post?
I was just super upset. I didn't sleep, so I was almost late today. And then someone called me out because I was wearing leggings and I completely forgot about the dress code. And so, but
So you got mad because you wasn't following the rules and the directions. Oh my
I
God.
just felt very like targeted because she was like, there's other people around me wearing the same exact thing.
It's because she's black.
And so I asked her if I could just stay for today, and she said it was fine. But I think
So it was a staff member?
yeah.
According to police reports, a cell phone search of Addison's phone would later reveal that following the story, she posted a video at the school with her middle finger up. Minutes later, she texted her mother stating, "They keep making me hate this school more and more by all this stupid stuff they are doing," adding that this was the worst day of her life.
Oh, it's about to get a lot worse, sir.
Well, what happened today? Why are you having a bad day?
It's just been like I'm going through a lot right now. I'm just not in a like good situation like with how I am, and so I think I just was fed up with like not like anything. I'm not here to like threaten anyone.
No. When you say you're not doing well yourself, you mean mentally, physically? I mean, tell us a little more about what's going on with you.
I'm stressed with like work and like.
Man, you 18 years old. It ain't really too much to stress about. You staying at home with your people. You trying to get your shit together. I mean, shit is easy. That part of life is easy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wish I could be at home trying to get my life together. What?
Having trouble like just everything, like working and like, bills.
Do you have any kind of mental health diagnosis and
anxiety.
depression, anxiety? Do you take medication for that?
No, I do not.
You don't? Do you see anybody? See a
go to
therapist? Okay. And have you been actively receiving therapy for that, or do you have like regular appointments, or just when you need it?
I did, but I usually just cause she's back in Colorado.
I thought I was the only person that like do stuff when I'm nervous or if I'm in a bad situation. I'm nervous. Start like when my hair is long and curly, I'll go like this.
About an hour after.
I'll like keep going like this with my hair. You see, she keep twitching with her fingers. Something is fucking off.
Receiving therapy for that, or do you have like regular appointments, or just when you need it?
I did, but I usually just cause she's back in Colorado.
About an hour after Addison's posts, Snapchat generated the emergency disclosure forwarded to the FBI. Around the same time, she lost access to her account and the memories stored on it, prompting her to text her mother, "I'm actually going to lose my mind."
Jody, tell him where you're living and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. I won't. Were you asking the same questions then?
Huh?
I said I won't bother asking you the same questions then. Do you want to do hair specifically?
Yeah, I want to do hair. I did a school back in Colorado through high school, and then I came down here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
Addison moved to Clearwater to continue pursuing her cosmetology license at the Aveda Institute. Unfortunately, the posts she made this morning are about to jeopardize those plans.
All right, ma'am, you are the director here?
I am.
Obviously, you know what's going on. You were here for the whole thing. She's going to go to jail. She's going to be arrested for essentially written threats. What happened was when that was posted on Snapchat, it was flagged, sent to the FBI. They called us.
Okay.
And we knew she was here. Obviously, she's probably not going to be a student here anymore.
Correct.
Okay, and that was my next thing, is if you want to have her
Correct.
trespassed or anything else, so that she can't return to the property. That's something.
Yeah, we'll do that as well. All right, so with all things considered, we do have to terminate your enrollment, and with that termination, you are not allowed back on premise. Obviously, I'm not gonna have you collect your things today. We can have it done at a later date, but at that time, because you do have a trespass on you for this property, law enforcement would have to come with you to collect your belongings.
Okay, so no, I can't be here.
You can't be here, and you're not any longer enrolled. We'll process your paperwork today. You'll get information on what that looks like after the fact. Obviously, there's a lot of things going on today, so I can tell you what it looks like, but you're going to forget most of it. It's going to come in an email. So we submit your drop paperwork with your termination.
I just want to keep her a little closer.
Oh my God, it's a harmonica.
He looks good on you.
So you should still pursue
Asshole.
a cosmetology license. Like, just because things didn't go well here doesn't mean you can't still get a license, right? If that school reaches out to us, we don't tell them why we terminate a student. We don't even tell them that we terminate a student. You can make up whatever story you wanted, truthfully.
Addison is expelled and issued a trespass warning for the Aveda Institute, effectively banning her from the premises indefinitely.
Oh
Go
my
ahead, stand up
God.
for me. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Right now, you're being placed under arrest.
gotta be careful with what you post, man. You can't post stuff like that all willy nilly.
Get your phone. I can hold both the wrists with one hand. Hopefully, do me a favor. Turn your hands, since you're so cooperative. Turn your hands so your palms are together. Okay. What I want you to do is you'll be a lot more comfortable that way. Please don't try and get out of these. I know
Comfortable in cuffs is crazy.
your wrists are really small.
Sorry.
So we are gonna, I've already talked to her. She says there's a way we can take you down a little more discreetly. We're trying to do this as discreetly as possible.
Have you ever been arrested before?
No, sir.
All right, I will explain to you this process. It's not as scary as you think it is. It's more like a hospital waiting room that you just can't leave.
What the hell? But I would have been like, if you don't get the fuck out of my ear with that
So I like to tell people, you're not going to be in jail forever or nothing like that. Here, I'll just stand on this side that way. Not everybody has to see everything. Doesn't matter. You're not going to see any of these people anytime soon anyway.
Yes, she will. She cool with some of them. They gonna be like, girl, what happened?
Addison is discreetly walked through a corridor and out to a back parking lot.
Obviously, you're going to go to the Pinellas County Jail. Do you have anything in your socks, anything in your shoes?
No.
Even if it's like a little bit of weed, it's not a big deal. We can handle that right now. It's not even going to charge you with it, but you get it to the jail, it's a felony.
No, I do not have anything.
She's got a head in the back.
Ahead of what?
All right, just go ahead and have a seat right there.
I'm about to say ahead of what?
To get comfortable, okay? I'll explain to you the process. There's a little bit going on right now. You'll be able to make phone calls. It's not like you're going to be in a cage or nothing like that. Just you made a mistake today.
Yeah.
That's all.
We're going to take your phone as evidence, and we're going to write a search warrant and gather your Snapchat data as well.
Okay.
Any questions on that?
For the Snapchat memories, like all my pictures and stuff, do you know anything like that?
Yeah.
All right, we got the offense, a 48, obviously RPO.
Yep. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, this is wild.
This is so stupid.
Yeah,
So stupid.
what a change in your life. Big change moving out here, huh?
Yeah.
This is a dumbass change for sure.
In any state, especially the state of Florida, you cannot do this. Like, this is huge. And the problem is young people use these terminology like it's a joke nowadays, and it's just not. The good news is you get the condo, too. The condo, you get to be by yourself.
Oh, okay, that's good.
According to court documents, Addison Gass was arrested and later charged with written threats to kill or do bodily injury.
That's
which is
crazy.
a second-degree felony. She pled not guilty, and her case remains ongoing.
All you gotta do is no contest. It's first offense. Should be all right.
She was also placed under a risk protection order, preventing her from possessing or purchasing any firearms or ammunition while the order is in effect.
Damn.
Watch our full videos as they were originally made, with no randomly muted words or details cut. We've also dropped brand new.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. As it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.